In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this Audi A4. This vehicle has the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine, and this is going to be located on the passenger side attached to the airbox. Let's get into it. Now we're going to disconnect the connector. There's a little tab in the connector. Push down on the tab, it slides right out. There's the tab right there. Just push down on that. And you're going to need a tamper-proof Torx socket. This has a little hole in the middle, and this is the T20. Take these screws out. Take those screws out and grab the sensor, and it comes right out. Take the new mass airflow sensor. There should be a gasket on it, which there is. Slide that in position. Make sure the holes line up, otherwise you probably have it reversed. It's flipped around. Take the screws. Get the screws started. And snug those down. Not too tight. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.